Hello and welcome to Zimbabwean Media. In some latest developments, outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza, who recently stunned the nation by calling for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's immediate resignation before fleeing into hiding, has reportedly died in South Africa. Geza had issued a deeply emotional message to Zimbabweans, expressing sorrow that he may not live to see a new Zimbabwe. In a statement, he spoke of faith in strength, saying he might not be there tomorrow, next week, or next month. Geza urged the citizens to carry his message of unity and resilience, declaring that even as he prepares to leave this world, the struggle for a free and prosperous nation must continue. Many sources have confirmed his death, but an official statement from his family members has not yet been released. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimbabwean Media.